Pump Products, a premier distributor for the world's top manufacturers of pumps, parts, and accessories, is now stocking the Zoeller Model 75 Sump pump. Sump pumps are designed to prevent basements from flooding. They're installed in the lowest part of the basement or crawl space, and their job is to keep the area dry from drain water and natural water migration. This Builder Series model of submersible pump is designed for use in residential or light commercial dewatering applications. It can also be used to transfer groundwater and effluent. Some features and benefits of the Zoeller Model 75 include a discharge size of 1.5 inches NPT, a max solid handling ability of 3/8 of an inch, maximum capacities of 50 gallons per minute, and a maximum head of 25 feet. This model also features an oil-filled, hermetically sealed motor with automatic reset thermal overload protection, rugged cast iron motor housing with corrosion-resistant baked-on enamel finish, an efficient heat sink for heat dissipation, and a reliable integrated vertical float switch. Model 75s perform with motors that run at 1/2 horsepower and 115 volts. Not only does Pump Products offer some of the lowest prices anywhere, but most orders are available for same-day nationwide shipping, so your pump can be delivered straight to your door. Finding the right pump to fit your needs can be a daunting task, but that's why our friendly, knowledgeable, and factory-trained Pump Products experts are a phone call away. Our experts can answer questions about specs such as GPM, total dynamic head, voltage, amps, and horsepower to ensure you get the pump that best suits your needs. Visit our website at pumpproducts.com or call us at 1-800-429-0800.